How to delete Snapchat data without deleting your account. Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sarah, and in today's video, I'll show you how to clear Snapchat data without deleting your account. Let's jump right in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device like you normally would. Next, tap on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner. After that, tap the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Scroll down until you find the My Data option. This is where you can manage your Snapchat data. Here, you'll see various types of data stored on your Snapchat account. Simply select the ones you want to delete. But wait, if you'd like to keep a copy of your data before deleting it, you can export it. Just enter your email address and download the files you want to save. Once you've saved what you need, go ahead and confirm the deletion of the data you want to remove. It's as simple as that. And that's it. You've successfully cleared Snapchat data without deleting your account. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.